Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to update YouTube on Samsung Smart TV. Let's go. Open Apps. Settings. Select YouTube. Check latest version and install it. If an update is required, then first way, turn on auto update. YouTube will update the next time you turn on the TV. Second way, select YouTube, reinstall. That's it. Now you know how to update YouTube on Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.